I am Kushagra Bora and welcoming you all on my YouTube channel Avisha Travel Vlogs. This is second part of our train journey from Gandhidham to Palanpur, and as you know that in first part we traveled from Gandhidham up to Samakhiali. In this part we will explore further. At present we have reached Adesar. Adesar is the last station in Kutch district, and here our run is also ending. But run's originality you may experience even for further some more kilometers. Well, right now our train is running half an hour late, but I am sure that when it will reach Palanpur, it will reach on time. See, this is the how we are reaching this station, brand new, named Lakhpat. We have reached Lakhpat, but see how lonely it looks, as if no one is there. This is the same story of all the railway stations on this route, and that's why I am shooting only a few of them. Rest I am leaving them as it is because they are all similar to each other. This Lakhpat, you see, there are some dwellings you can see. This is the village of Lakhpat, but yet it is quite empty. Empty. Your vibes are not good. Well, so we are now started. We are leaving Lakhpat. There are two Lakhpats. One is in east of Kutch. This is the east of Kutch. And one is in western part of Kutch. That Lakhpat was also on seashore. In those days, the Lakhpat run was a sea, and Sikh Dharma Guru Nanak Dev Ji Maharaj, he came here, halted here for one day, and then proceeded to his journey towards Pakistan. In those days, of course, Pakistan was not there. By sea, to memorize, to keep memory of that day, Lakhpat has one Gurudwara. Even today, there is a Gurudwara. Life in this area is very harsh, but still, life is breathing. People are living, though in their own way. How to live life here is a thing you must visit to know it. Well, we have reached Varahi. From Gandhidham, Varahi is 171 kilometers away. So we have completed 171 kilometers journey. And this platform you are seeing before that, Chansara, Santalpur, etc. railway stations have passed. I have not covered them. This is Varahi. Okay, so pilot has also shown green, and now the train will depart. Line is clear. Even here also you can observe the same sort of silence, loneliness, barren land, chilling. No, 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 not cool. It is hot, scorching hot, I should say. I am thinking to visit this area sometimes to know people here very well if I can live with them. Okay, so this is my another mobile on which I am showing an application showing running train status. At this time, our train where it was 5 minutes ago, and where it will be 5 minutes later. There is something written on right hand side in red color. That is how much time train is late, running late. If you want to see, just pause the application and you can pause this video and you can see that details. See, people here, what you see is how they have dressed up. It shows their lifestyle, their mindset. They are very hard working people. Otherwise, they cannot survive in this type of barren run type of land. Okay, our train is now has started and we are reaching near these people. See their dressing, how they have dressed up. Women and men are alike. This is Devgam, village of deities. In English, if I translate. This is how I was standing and had experienced the scorching heat. Well, you can see there is one three-tier ramp for foot-over bridge. Can you tell me the reason why it is three-tier? Okay, I tell you, this is Mitha. The village name here, the station name rather, is Mitha. Mitha in Indian languages. It has two meanings in English. One Mitha means sweet, and another Mitha meaning salt. Yes, in Gujarati, Mitha means salt in English. Salt is also known in Gujarati as Mithu. Mithu. The station name is Mitha, but the story is same. Lonely, no people. It's quite. I can't say that this is a type of station one has never seen. Yes, you may be surprised to see such type of area. It is not fault of the railway station, but it is this area itself is barren. Very, very
तरह की गाड़ियां ये
hard
चलती रहती
area
हैं।
this
मगर
is.
तब से लेकर आज
How
तक
people
ये
are
ट्रेन
living
बंद नहीं हुई।
is
बाद
a
में जब ये
miracle.
ब्रॉडगेज में रूपांतरण हुआ तब 1-2 साल
Sometimes
ये ट्रेन बंद रही।
instead of going
बस
to
और
Kullu, Manali and such stations,
रेलवे यहाँ के जो रण विस्तार
I
है वहाँ
suggest
के लोगों
you
का
come down
बहुत
to
ख्याल
this
रखते
area
हैं। उनके
also
लिए तो ये ट्रेन चलती है,
to
चाहे इसमें रेलवे को नुकसान ही क्यों न
make
हो।
yourself accustomed
इसकी
with this type
ऑपरेशनल
of
वैल्यू
living.
या ऑपरेशनल कॉस्ट अगर
How
कहें
people are
तो
living
शायद नहीं
here.
चलती होगी रेलवे की।
Come and know it.
जी हाँ, ये है
Well,
दियोदर।
we have reached Diodar. This is the railway
हम
station
पहुंचे हैं दियोदर।
Diodar. Here also
दियोदर
same
यहाँ पर
three-storied
यहाँ
ramp
से एक
to
हाईवे
climb
पार
up
होता
to
है,
foot-over
गुजरता
bridge.
है, जो
One
कि
reason
थराद के साथ जुड़ता है।
that foot-over bridge
मैं
is
अभी
very high.
देवगाम में
Why
आया मैंने एक
foot-over
सवाल पूछा
bridge
था कि
is
यहाँ का जो
very high?
फुट ओवर ब्रिज है वो इतना 3 मंजिला
This
क्यों
is
है?
not the story here only. All over from right from Gandhidham
फुट ओवर ब्रिज
till
बहुत मजबूत है।
Palanpur, you can see here
ये रहा
the
हाई राइज
pantograph of this
ये
engine
हमारे
is
लोकोमोटिव
very
के
high.
साथ लगा हुआ है।
Why?
इतना हाई
Because
राइज
the wires
क्योंकि यहाँ से
supplying electricity are also at a high
कंटेनर
level.
गुड्स ट्रेन
And this is to
तो
accommodate
यहाँ के जो ओवरहेड
double decker container
की ऊंचाई इतनी ऊंची
freight
रखी गई है जान
goods train from Kandla port as well as Mundra,
कंटेनर ट्रेन।
Mundra ports, Adani port.
देखिए ये फुट ओवर ब्रिज पर जाने के
Double
लिए
decker container goods trains are plying here, and therefore the height of wire supplying electricity is so much high.
एक जगह एक प्लेटफॉर्म से दूसरी प्लेटफॉर्म पर ले जाने के लाने के लिए इन्होंने ये ग्रेडियंट कम करके तीन
Well,
वाले के ये
For
प्लेटफॉर्म
going
जाने
from
के
one platform to
रास्ता
another
बनाया है।
platform, so much high foot-over bridge is required. Our train has started from
ये है
Diodar
दियोदर
also.
और
We
अब
are
हम
now
दियोदर
departing
से
Diodar.
निकल रहे हैं। हरी हरी हो जाएंगे।
See, the land has changed.
ग्रीन बेल्ट शुरू हो चुका है।
Terrain has changed
जमीन
from barren
खेत
run
खलिहान
to
वगैरह
green.
से भरी पड़ी है।
Yes, now you have started seeing
रण से
the
अलग ही
greenish
आपने
terrain.
रण भी देखा और अब आप ये उपजाऊ भूमि भी देख रहे हैं।
A fertile land has
इतनी
started.
नहीं है लेकिन
This whole area
हम कह सकते हैं कि ये बनासकांठा
is now giving us some sort of
उपजाऊ है और यहाँ आपको खेत खलिहान
Cool.
देखने को मिल जाएंगे।
we are now seeing some dwellings. This bridge says that you are reaching now some big railway station. Yes, this is Disa. Disa is a market center.
अगत्य का रेलवे
For
स्टेशन डीसा।
This totally
यहाँ डीसा में
fertile
बहुत बड़ा
areas
मार्केट यार्ड भी
marketing
आसपास के विस्तार
purposes. There is a big
किसान
market.
वगैरह हैं वो अपना सामान
Apart from market, there are other types of businesses are also there. But
उसके अलावा
on and on, this is the big city
डीसा एक
on this route.
यूं कहें देखें तो
And
काफी
Disa suggests that now you are near to Palanpur. There is only one railway station left, that
आते
is
ही हमें याद आ
Chandisar,
जाता है कि हम अब
which we will
पालनपुर के
reach
नजदीक
soon.
पहुंचने वाले हैं।
See, here are some godowns,
जहाँ तक
some
हमने
buildings.
गांधी
Now you are seeing all these things.
किलोमीटर का
You
सफर
are always accustomed to
और अब बाकी रह
see
गए हैं
these things
करीब
all
25
around you.
किलोमीटर पालनपुर पहुंचने के लिए। और
People
डीसा और पालनपुर के बीच में
and
एक और रेलवे स्टेशन
brisk
आता है।
movement of
बस
traffic,
उसके बाद
cars,
हम पालनपुर
trucks,
पहुंच जाएंगे।
trains, hustle and bustle. Such thing is now going to start from Disa.
अगर आपकी आंखें सदैव आपके आसपास भरे
See, here you are seeing
पूरे
some
रोड, बिल्डिंग,
traffic signal.
लोग बाग
Here
वगैरह
we have
देखने
a
के
traffic
आदि हैं,
signal,
तो बस
level
उसी तरह
crossing,
का माहौल
some
आपके
rickshaws you
सामने
have seen.
आ रहा है।
All these things
मैंने तो
you are
आपने जो भी
now,
देखा
it has
वह
started,
एक
you
अलग ही
can see.
दुनिया,
But in
रणभूमि
run area,
एकदम अलग ही तरह की
Lakhpat,
होती है। लेकिन
Santalpur,
अब
Varahi,
वहां से हम
what
निकल
you
के
saw
और आ
was
गए हैं
silence.
उसी
No man's land as
जैसी
it
लाभ
is.
के आसपास लगभग
No,
लगभग
but now
रहते
we
हैं,
are
यानी शहरों की या
passing
बड़े
through
गांवों की
city area of Disa.
खेत
From Disa,
खलिहान,
I remember
मकान,
that
रोड, रास्ते, बसें,
when
अलग
Kandla
अलग
Port was founded
दुकानें,
after
गाड़ियां, ये
1947,
सारी चहल पहल वगैरह वगैरह
is we
पालनपुर के
decided
नजदीक में है।
to
पालनपुर
build
जैसा आप
Kandla
जानते हैं
Port in place
बड़ा
of
कांडला का
Karachi,
एक बहुत
which went
ही
to
महत्वपूर्ण
Pakistan
रेलवे स्टेशन है।
during
गुजरात
those
का
Batwara
सबसे
days.
अंतिम रेलवे स्टेशन भी पालनपुर में ही
So
है।
this line
उसके बाद
was
तो
taken out
आगे
from
आबू
Disa.
रोड वगैरह
This
आते हैं।
project was
खैर
known as
हम लोग पहुंच चुके हैं
Kandla Disa
चंडीसर।
meter gauge railway line. This railway
चंडीसर
station is
पालनपुर से
Chandisar.
एक स्टेशन आगे है।
This is Chandisar. So on that meter gauge line, 61, 62, 65, 66, such numbered trains were used to ply 65, 66. This was the train from Ahmedabad to Bhuj and Bhuj to Ahmedabad. Another train 61, 62. This train was flying from Gandhidham to Palanpur and Palanpur to Gandhidham back. Recently, when gauge was converted into broad gauge, those 1 or 2 years, this train was cancelled, remained cancelled, stayed not running. But thereafter, again, it started on broad gauge. So this one can say that ever since 1960, this train is running in this remote, silent,
बिफोर टाइम
harsh
रही है।
climatic
लगभग
area
आधा घंटा
and
पहले
catering the people of this area.
पालनपुर बिफोर
Really a hats off to railways for their backup of transportation meaning in this area, in this run area, Gandhidham Palanpur railway route. Well, this is Palanpur. We are entering Palanpur.
उतर रहे हैं।
Well, so now we are all set to get down.
गर्मी बहुत
It's
है,
too hot outside.
देखेंगे बाहर क्या हाल होता है।
Okay, let me see on which platform we have arrived. Oh, this is platform number 3. That one is the platform number 1, number 2, and our train has arrived on platform number 3 of Palanpur. The time is
और
12
इसी के साथ
noon
मैं कुशाग्र बुरा
and it's very hot.
दिशा ट्रैवल व्लॉग से आपसे इजाजत चाहूँगा। मिलते हैं एक और जर्नी में। वैसे ये ट्रेन अब वापस 1:10
This is
गांधीधाम
Palanpur's
के लिए
platform number
वापस
3.
जाएगी।
People
ये जो
are
सारे लोग
here
आप देख रहे हैं, ये सारे लोग
sitting,
इसी में
sleeping.
बैठने के लिए
I think they are waiting for some
ये ट्रेन
train.
वापस गांधीधाम
Yes,
के
by the
लिए
way, this train
1:10
will
पर
now
यानी
go
अब
back to
लगभग 1 घंटे
Gandhidham
बाद
at
यहाँ से
1:10
पालनपुर
p.m.
निकलेगी
After 1 hour,
ये ट्रेन
this train will go back to
गांधीधाम
Gandhidham,
एक्सप्रेस के नाम से।
same like passenger. Oh, there are many people are waiting for this train to board. So passengers are there for this train, and this train is very cheap. From Gandhidham to Palanpur is about 300 kilometers, and the train ticket is only 120 rupees. 120 Indian rupees, INR 120. Well, there is one train
नमस्कार।
standing on platform number 2. Okay, let us go there and see.
चलो उतरते हैं।
People are trying to get down here.
आ गया पालनपुर।
Okay, if I conclude, I must say that this train has very dirty coaches.
पूरा कोच हिलता है।
From outside, it looks very dirty. Inside, of course, they have made some cleaning.
अंदर भी कोई खास
This
अच्छी तो नहीं है।
coach are seems to be very old.
कर दी है।
They shake during running of the train.
रैली बना दी है रेलवे ने।
So I don't feel it quite comfortable.
ऐसा नहीं।
But we can't do anything. Well, so we are here. This one is car park of Palanpur railway station. And with this, I, Kushagra Vora, signing off from Abhisha Travel Vlogs. Namaskar.
ऊपर सामने टिकट घर भी है। ये है पालनपुर रेलवे स्टेशन के बाहर का हिस्सा।